Yeah. Assaulted steak. Listen, the benevolent Mr. Weird Beard blowing cess and shit. Ain't from your city, still serving most your residents. My flow glow with the resonance, ruling my Provence through this hip-hop renaissance. Yeah, I'm doing my due diligence. The rocks on the wrist look like the colors of Benetton. The whip seats contour the body like silicone. These little bits mostly punches D-Militon. I like your bay up in them skinny drawers. Made a detour from my little windy city John. Slated, orgasms coordinated and emancipated. Most you little dudes been emasculated, trying to get ahead, but about to get decapitated. I'm headed to the bank, getting bucks off these savage statements. Yeah, it ain't nothing left to say about it. Nothing left. It's all done once the steak is salted. It ain't nothing left to say about it. Nothing left to say. It's all done once the steak is salted. I put the saber to your grill, no hibachi. Used to rumble through Rapungi, hot toddies with my Tamagotchis. You getting smacked, that's a common hobby. I ain't accommodating these clowns, bitch, your makeup sloppy. Yeah, I'm ruling over you commoners. In the coop getting zooted out the proper fur. If I ain't counting commas first, I'm prone to let this llama burst. Or in the zone, gripping the chrome, what my slime prefer. Yeah, lower down for these little niggas. I scribe a hotline, but not inclined to have none of the lines concur. Nigga, yeah, I know y'all be impatient, but I ain't still adjacent to where no crime occurred. I was home alone, blow up and feeling time is served. Hope you go check the time signatures. Back pain, man, West Coast Prime Minister. Glock 9 sticking out the lemon lime linen shirt. It ain't nothing left to say about it. It's all done once the steak is salted. It ain't nothing left to say about it. It's all done once the steak is salted. It ain't nothing left to say about it. It's all done once the steak is salted. It ain't nothing left to say about it. Not a 10. It's all done once the steak is salted. You know what I'm saying? Niggas did what they did. Niggas say what they say. You know what I'm saying? It's a rap. You know what I'm saying? Fuck you thought, nigga. Fuck up out of here, nigga. On Team Empire, little niggas. Shout out to the big homie Fluid, nigga. Inglewood City, we did it again, my nigga. Fuck these little niggas. Back pain.